Psychosis is a chemical response to trauma. The person believes in their mind that they are experiencing things that the ordinary, everyday individual doesn't feel or hear, and they can potentially cause trauma to themselves.
Well, our team, the Early Intervention and Psychosis team, support sort of young people upwards of 14 in how that we cover the 3 counties. So people who've had a first episode of psychosis or an at risk that they may develop it in the future.
We really understand that this is a complementary therapy alongside what the NHS currently offers. The alternative therapies are currently talking therapies, which means that you've got to get a very young person sitting down in a room, being very emotionally aware and very emotionally vulnerable, talking to somebody that they may not know about stuff that has been really, really difficult for them to understand and for them to live through. So the adventure therapy side is an alternative way of getting through those difficult circumstances. Most specialist services that we currently have within the UK rely on the specialist to be giving that help out. While within the adventure therapy world, we understand that it's the individual that really has that ability to change their own path.
We're here in Penavant today to climb it, hopefully, with all the young people as part of our adventure therapy project.
To be honest, I feel a bit nervous, but that might change after today, you know, I might be inspired.
It's about giving people chances to challenge themselves in ways they never have before. And we often think about that in regards to recovery, in regards to their mental health as well. Climbing a mountain is a challenge in itself, and that can relate to day-to-day life for some people.
The social aspect of it is brilliant. It just gets everybody together. And it's just lovely having a communal walk up to the top of a really big hill.
It's been a really good day, to be honest, yeah. It's helped me with my confidence, speaking to people. To be honest, this is the most people I've been around in a long time. I don't like crowds, I don't like being around loads of people, so this has actually been really good for me, yeah.
We are in Meadow Street Community Gardens, which is based in Pontypridd.
We've come along today to just do a small whittling exercise, just to get people outdoors and enjoying the environment.
It's nice to be outside and talking to other people, building up my confidence and enjoy myself with whatever I'm doing.
There's a massive difference. I suffered with anxiety and I couldn't come out of the house and stuff like that. But now I'm going out with friends for coffees, going for pizza, and it's just nice to be able to enjoy life again and appreciate it a bit more.
So we're at Llanddwesel paddlers here down in Llanddwesel, and today we've been taking a group of young people with mental health needs out stand-up paddleboarding on the lovely little lake.
Heddiw ni'n mynd i wneud paddleboarding ar yr afon, so fi'n edrych ymlaen i wneud e. And it's nice to meet other people that sort of have been through the same sort of thing and socialise with them.
It's refreshing, it makes you feel like you've achieved something. And I love it.
I think what we're seeing here is the beginning of a trajectory which will see people feeling an awful lot better. And we can't take ownership over those successes further down the line. All we can do is demonstrate to them their ability and their powerful nature, that they have control in their own lives.
Every time I've done something, I was like, I can't do that, I can't do this. I'm the first one and last one out, I'm the first one up the mountain. So it just shocks me what I actually can do.
I sort of got introduced to the service because I was going through psychosis. I started doing these groups and now I feel like my old self again.
For anyone struggling with mental health, I don't think there's nothing more I could advocate for than being outdoors and physical activity in general.
Mae'n profi fi faint fi gallu wneud, bod fi gallu mynd ymlaen gyda'r fywyd fi, hyd yn oed os fi gyda i problemau iechyd meddwl. Fi gallu siarad amdano fe, fi gallu gwneud pethau. Fi'n fwy cryf na fi'n meddwl.